people gon' dance to. Give the record a second and a chance to. Hitting people like a scene of amazement. While they slipping back, my feet is planted in the pavement. Crumble like I never do. So now I'm looking dead at you. What are you gonna do? You listen to the knowledge of a scholar. You say how I breathe, tell them how I holler. I'm the E-double, and I proclaim my name straight up. Good game, peace of game. I'm like a rhino, running through the roughest path. They figure I'm a trigger happy to get it, so they step back. It's plain to see. You listen to the sounds of breathe. There ain't no future in your front. I never got caught with a kilo, and if you ever do, yo, will never be with me, yo. Serve it in a Cherokee, or maybe it's a Geo. Black on black Benz, so we'll get it up amigo. Never have to worry about my posse getting jumped, cause if we ever do, yo, TV about the trunk. Cause we can go playing with a cause I clock 10 G's a week, booming at my peak. Always see E sober, but I do get geek. I can give you a job, a place to eat. Hardy, meet your homeboy Marty at a B.O.B. Party taking over, barking like a dog named Roman. I'm picking suckers like a 4-leaf clover. Everybody wearing some of the Michael Jackson's Cobras. So now they saying egg breeders get no. There ain't no future in your front. There ain't no future in your front. I'm the B, the R to the double E-D, and down with my homie G-A-S-N-O-E, and suckers causing static cause they still be disagreeing. I don't give a, cause I'm from F-L-I-N-T in a city where pity runs slow. If you ever shoot through my city, now you know, cause we are strictly business and we also got a pride. And if you don't like it, I suggest you break wide. Suckers study looking for the M-O-N-E-Y, thinking that illegal is the best one, so they die. I ain't got time to see a fiend out, to give up all his money and to give up what he got. That's the way I am, MC Bree cannot be different. Never change the ways for the world or the government. If I was the president, then I was stating the facts. You leave it up to me, I paint the White House black and there ain't no future in your front. Yeah, I got dollars in my pocket, not from rolling. If I was a fiend, then my gold would be stolen. Put my name Breed on everything I own. And when I get my Jeep, I'm putting Breed on the chrome. Shine it up good, kicking through my neighborhood. Motorola phone, fat rims and a Kenwood. Put the kid around it, and then I'll have it drop. Just because I'm riding, people think I'm selling rocks, but ain't no future in your